Okay, so let's go insert. Insert we already done, guys. If you know that, the previous day we are inserting extra column inside of that, right? So we already insert a many things. That's why I'm not showing. If you can check my previous lecture where we are inserting the row inside of your tables. Okay, so this is we are not discussing over here. After that, we have to the is null. Is null means what? If suppose in your table there is something a null value. Null means what? There is a something empty values are there. See, empty values are there, then it will be showing. But to be honestly, in our database there is no any empty value, so it will be not showing anything. Let me show you also. If suppose I'm going over here and I'm writing something, select star from customer. Okay, select star from customers. Where is what? Where the address is a null or anything, or we can put over here where country country is null. So there is any null country. To be honest, we don't have any null value. None means what? The empty value. It's already fulfilled. That's why it will be not showing anything. Let me show you. I'm selecting and I'm executing. You can see there is showing any data. No. Why it's not showing data? Because we don't have any empty value or we don't have any null value. But if I am putting a not means what? It's just opposite. So is not. Okay, if I'm putting that not means what happened? It will be showing everything. You can check everything data is showing. Are you ready? Are you understand? Yeah. Means not means what? To opposite to two, right? As it is. So that is exactly not null. Now after that we are going to the update query. What is that? Update statement. So the update statement is used to modify the existing record in the table. Means if you want to change any data, so we can do that. Right now, what is the syntax for that? You can see this is the syntax and this is the example. Right now, what we are doing, let's put that. I'm putting to the update. Right now, see, we are not using select star from. We are using what? The update. Okay. Now let me go over here. Okay. Update. Okay, update after space is what? Customers. Customers is what? Our column name, right? Sorry, our table name. Okay, customers. Okay, after the customer, we need to write over here what we need to write the set. I want to set that what I want to say contact name. Okay, or anything. If suppose what I want to change. Okay, I want to change. Suppose see over here. Suppose I have one over here. What the see over here? I have the something name. Okay, this one. I will change this name instead of my name. Okay, set after that customer name. Okay, see, this is my column name. Are you getting? Customer name is equal to, I want to change with the Rohit Kadam. Okay, Rohit Kadam. And after that, where I want to change? Where, okay, where cause also, where the customer, see the customer ID is number one. Where is the customer? Okay, customer ID is equal to inside of the bracket number one. Okay, let me set inside of the bracket. No, inside of not a bracket, directly number one. Okay, this is my full query. Let me execute it and run. You can see it's run. Okay, now let's see also. Okay, before that I want to put the one query that is called select star from customer customer. Okay, customers only. I want to check only directly database. Let me selected that and run. You can see what is the name in the first right now customer name Rohit Kadam. So have we updated data or not? Right? Have we can done? We need to write the update after what? Customer is our full table name. You can see over here customer is our table name. You can see, and after that set a customer name. I am setting what? The customer name is the again my column, and inside of I'm changing the value means a name, and after that where the customer ID is one means where I want to change where the customer ID is one. So that is we can use the update a query. Okay, after that update query, we have to the delete query also. Let's delete that data. Okay, how we can delete that? Simply, I want to write a delete from table name where the condition. Okay, now simply how we can put we need to write over here as it is this. See, okay, not. We need to write a delete for first. Okay, this is the confusing. That's why I'm erasing everything. Okay, I'm saying delete. Okay, delete. After that, what I want to delete? I want to delete from customer. Customer is the database table name. Customers where the ID not. What is that, guys? This is called what the customer ID. Okay, Cust customer customer ID is equal to 1 and I want to delete the data. What I'm deleting? First data. Okay, I'm selecting this and I'm saying run. You can see query is run properly. Now I want to run the this select star from customer for the showing purpose. Have you seen any kind of one details? No, I deleted that. I delete full row that. So you can delete also any row which one you want. Right now you're asking, sir, can you just delete the column? How we can delete the column, guys? We don't want to, if I'm deleting column, then everything will be deleted, right? So rows we can delete, but the column we cannot able to delete. Okay, so that I want to mean. Now after the delete, we have to the which query? Limit cause. Limit cause means what? Limit cause is used to specify the number of records to return. Okay, limit cost is useful on the large table with 1,000 of records. Returning a large number of records can impact performance. Right now, see over here how we can do that. Suppose I have the customer, I want to check the top first three records. Okay, three limit. Now let's check. We are checking that. How we can check? Select star from customer, limit is the three. Okay, select star from customer. Okay, where? Okay, where cause we need to use? No, na? No. Directly we are writing what? Limit is what? Three only. Limit three means what? I am only checking one, two, three records in the top, right? So I'm selecting this and I want to execute it. You can see only I can check the top three records. When we have to the large quantity of record and I want to check only the first top 3, 5, 6, 10, 20, so we can check that. Are you getting? Yeah. Even if I'm putting over here, suppose the 5, why it's not showing to the 5, 6? Because we are deleted 1, right? So it's counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So like that. So 5 limits records we can check. Perfect. So like that. Okay. Limit cost done. After that, we have what? The even if suppose guys, if you want to check with the only only country and likewise. Okay, so we can do that. Suppose I want to check the top three Germany country, we can do simply what we need to do. Let me erase this one. Okay, select star from customer. Okay, where is what? Country. Where is the country? Country is limit. Suppose I want to check the where is country. I can put that also where the country is equal to, suppose, Mexico. Okay, and I want only the how many limits? Suppose I want to check only the two. I'm putting over here two. Now let's check. I'm selecting this and I'm using. Now see, only I can check the two records Mexico, right? Isn't it? And if I want to more records, put it over here 5. I don't think so. 5 we have. Let's check. I'm running. See, we have to the 5 records, right? Mexico City. Means at together, we are using select star from customer, that query also. We are using condition also, and we are putting to the limit query also. Together, lot of queries. Not a queries, together lot of the lot of cause, right? Cause means what? This one we are using, right? Different cause, right? After that, let's go with the minimum, maximum. Okay, what is the minimum price, maximum price, this, that? Let's check in your table. Okay, now after that, let me erase everything because I don't want to confuse you anything. Okay, I let me cancel this one also. Okay, before let me check the recording also. Okay, let me stop recording.